Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to add a PDF to your website at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to click the login button. We're already logged in, so that takes us to dashboard on the main menu. And then to work on the website, to add the PDF, you're going to go to the website button. We're also going to be using the content button. Quickly though, let's look at the website button. The editing tools for adding the PDF is exactly the same for pages and posts. We're going to be working with pages today, but you can do the exact same thing for the posts. And also, let's look at our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. So we're going to add the PDF down here in this section of our home page. And then also, we're going to add it up here in a menu. And then also, we've created this blog post here. And you know, there's reasons why you'd want to add a PDF to a website. Could be something like a restaurant menu, a job application, manuals, books, ebooks, similar publications, clients forms, specific readings, things like that. These are the written steps for here. All these are the written steps, and it's actually pretty simple, so don't let that scare you. And then the other thing here is, alternatively, if you want to embed the PDF, you can go to our help site, click on this instructional video. Also, to find these written instructions, make sure you go to help.dataczar.com and click on website help. But let's tab back over and let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to the content button and add the file. So we're going to go to content. We're going to go to upload. So click content, click upload, click choose files. And we have to find the file. So let's go here, 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 and here it is. Okay. So that's uploading right now, and when that uploads, it's going to go into My Files. So you click on My Files, and then it uploaded right here. So we're going to copy the link to our clipboard. So after you upload it, you have to copy the link, and that's copied into the clipboard. Just click the copy. It's copied in the clipboard, so it's ready to use. We're ready to add it to the website. So now let's go to the website button, and we're going to click on Pages. And we're going to edit our home index page first of all. And again, you can do the same thing with a post. We're going to click the edit button. And then we're going to scroll down to the editing screen. I'm going to add it right in here. So we'll just do PDF file name, whatever description you want to use. Then you highlight that, click the insert edit link icon. So click this, looks like a chain link, insert edit link. You paste in, because we copied it into our clipboard. Now Control V, paste it in, and click OK. And there, the PDF has been added to our has been added to our home page. Click Update. So always make sure after you make adjustments to the page, you click Update. Now we're going to go back on Pages. We're going to add it to a menu. So that's how you add it to a page or a post. To add it to a menu, you click Create Blank Page. Oh, let me go back. You go to Pages. You click the drop down to the right of Create Blank Page and Create Link in Menu. You click on that. And then we're just going to go PDF file name, enter the link. So we're going to paste it in because it's still in our clipboard, and we're going to click create, and it's as simple as that. So we added it to a page and we added it to a link in our top menu. This is where these are all of our pages on our top menu. We're going to move the link up to make it easy to find. We'll just put it right here in front of our blog. And let's go back to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. Go back to the home page. and let's make sure it's refreshed. So I'm going to refresh it, and then we're going to scroll down, and there it is, PDF file name. So if we click on it, it opens it up in a new window, and it's totally, downloadable, printable, all that stuff. So let's tab back over to the website. Here it is again, PDF file name. So if we click on that, again, it's downloadable, clickable. Tab back over. So we added it to our top menu. We added it to our home page. Let's go back to Connect now. And so we use the website button. We use the content button. Also, check out our help button. And to find this tutorial, to find the written instructions, visit our Help Center. Click on Help Center. The featured tutorial videos are excellent. If you're just getting started, especially, make sure you watch these. But let's click on our Help Center. And this takes us to help.dataczar.com. We'll click on Website Help. And here's the other tutorial, how to embed. And then you'll find this tutorial, how to add a PDF to a page poster menu. You'll find it in here as well. So let's tab back over and back to dashboard. And that's it. That's how to add a PDF to your website with Dataczar Connect.